Did you know 80% of people fail their New Year resolution? And over 50% of freelancers quit in their first year starting freelancing. And you wonder why that is the case. Some freelancers seems to effortlessly attract clients, while others constantly hustling. And today I'm going to share with you their secret sauce. Freelancing sounds perfect, right? Work from home, set your own hours, and earn money your way. But let's face it, finding client is tough. And I've discovered the real secrets behind successful freelancing. And guess what? It is not what most people think. Stick around because these tips changed completely my freelance career. My name is Datman Gilbert. I'm a software engineer, freelancer, and entrepreneur. I've been doing freelancing for many years on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Code Mentor, both as a freelancer but also as a client. In matter of fact, I started freelancing in 2021, and since then I've worked with a lot of clients across the world. And this is what I observed that differentiates successful freelancers and unsuccessful ones. And starting with number one, stop chasing clients and start attracting them. Early on my career, I spent countless hours sending cold proposals and desperately hoping for replies, and it was exhausting. I knew there had to be a better way, and there is. I found this calmly that successful freelancers don't chase clients. Instead of chasing clients, they attract them by building strong online presence. They don't solely rely on one channel of getting clients. Think about LinkedIn. There are a lot of clients on LinkedIn who want your service. If you can build your strong online presence on LinkedIn, there are high chances that you will get clients there. They share valuable content constantly. This is where actually good things happen. Sharing good content builds trust, and people are more likely to buy from you if they trust you. Successful freelancers clearly showcase their best work to demonstrate their expertise. The more they show their best work, the more they attract more clients who want similar service. These strategies position you as an expert, and soon clients come knocking on your door in your DMs, not the other way around. Number two, successful freelancers niche down. When I started freelancing, I thought being generalist was the best way to go, and that was a big mistake. I quickly realized clients prefer specialists, not generalists. Once I choose clear niche and specialize in it, clients happily paid me more for my expertise. Here is why niching down works. It is easier to market yourself if you niche down. You become the go-to expert in your field. You charge higher rate because of your specialized skills. Remember, the narrower your niche, the clearer your value. Number three, overdeliver, then ask for referrals. This is a huge when it comes to become successful freelancer. Want endless clients? Here is how successful freelancers do it. Overdeliver on every project. Exceed clients' expectation, then confidently ask for testimonials or referrals. Trust me, happy clients naturally want to share their amazing experience. It also gives you a chance to share your expertise on a platform like LinkedIn. Here is my approach. I always add extra value to the project. I try to finish project early or improve quality beyond the expectation. Politely request referrals and testimonials immediately after successful project. Good reviews create positive cycle. Happy clients leads to more clients. Number four, successful freelancers build relationships, not just transactions. Freelancing, like any other business, it is more than just completing projects. It is about building lasting relationships. When I shifted from seeing clients as transaction to genuine connection with them, my friends' careers took off. Here's how to build strong relationships. Regularly check in with happy past clients. Reach out after a few months working together and check how the solution you built benefited them. Engage with potential clients authentically. even if they don't immediately hire you. Network genuinely within your industry through social media. Strong relationships equal repeat business and stability in your freelance career. Here is a key takeaway I want you to get from this video. Attract clients, don't chase. Create content, showcase your best work, and rate clients came to you. Specialize to earn more. Don't be generalist, niche down, and become the go-to expert. Go beyond expectations. Over-deliver consistently and leverage referrals. Build relationships over transactions. Genuine connection means consistent work. Freelancing success isn't just about luck or just hard work. It's about strategy. Ask yourself today, are you simply working or are you strategically building freelancing brand? If this video helped you to see freelancing in different way, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know any question you might have about freelancing in the comment below. Until next time, keep grinding. If you don't quit, success is a matter of time.